Hi guys, welcome to another Turkish cuisine video. Today we are making a classic dessert that is as rich in history as it is in flavor, baklava with walnuts. My dad always makes the best baklava and Turkish desserts. This is why today I will be sharing his way of making everybody's favorite treat. With its crunchy layers, juicy texture and nutty filling, baklava is one of the top-rated desserts in Turkey. For this recipe, you'll need a package of phyllo dough, make sure it has at least 30-40 layers, 200 grams of butter, for the filling 2-3 cups finely chopped walnuts, some semolina and milk. For the syrup, you'll need some water, sugar and a couple drops of lemon juice. Start by cutting your layers, aligned with the tray you will be using. Everybody thinks that making baklava at home is a risky business, but it is the total opposite, very easily and quickly made. Then it is time to heat the butter. To make it lighter, we have to remove the foam of the butter, so we cook it by slowly removing the foam. Meanwhile, make your syrup. Some water, sugar and a couple drops of lemon juice to cut the sweetness a bit. Let it boil until the sugar dissolves and the texture thickens. This time we will be giving the baklava a twist and add some extra fake cream made with semolina into the filling, which we call yalancı kaymak, giving it a very nice touch. Next, let's make our extra filling, which is totally optional. Add some milk to the pan with some semolina. Let it cook until the texture thickens. Once you reach this texture, remove from the heat and let it cool off. Once your butter is ready, removed from its foam, it is time to line up your baklava. Start by buttering the pan and place your first layer. Then drizzle a bit more oil and add another layer. Repeat this process until you have approximately 20 layers. After your 20th layer, it is time for the filling. First, put your fake cream, spread it out, and then add the chopped walnuts. Once the filling is done, it is time for the upper layers. Repeat the process by buttering the layers one by one until you reach a total of 40 layers. This is how your baklava should look after lining up all the layers. Now it is time to cut the baklava in pieces. We wanted big triangle shapes, which is called havuç dilimi in Turkish, but you can also go for basic square shapes, however you wish. For havuç dilimi, place a glass in the middle and cut a circle shape. Make sure you cut every piece until the bottom, and then make triangles of it. After you have cut your baklava, make sure you tuck the sides in, otherwise it might curl up. Once done, it is time to throw your baklava into your 180 degrees preheated oven for approximately 30-40 minutes, until the top is golden brown. Meanwhile, make sure your syrup is ready and cooled off, as the moment you take the baklava out of the oven, you have to add the cooled syrup so that it gets more crunchy and drains well in it. After the syrup is added, there is only one thing left to do: Wait until the baklava cools off, absorbs the syrup, and then it's time to eat. This process might take up to 2 hours. And your baklava is ready. Decorate with some extra walnuts and here you go. Time to treat yourself. There is nothing better like a homemade baklava. The flavor, crunchiness, and you have a whole tray for yourself. Definitely try this recipe out and write what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you at another video.